Hi mga mommies, let's make strawberries and cream ice cream graham bar. This is not for sale and for personal consumption only. Hinanda ko ito last Noche Buena. Instead of buying ice cream for my children, gumawa na lang ako instead. First, let's make strawberry puree. I bought the frozen strawberries in Hypermart worth 150 pesos. Boil strawberries with sugar until the sauce has reduced. Set aside, then allow to cool. Whisk 2 cans of chilled angel creme densada hanggang sa mag-double yung volume. Then, mix the strawberry puree into the cream mixture and mix thoroughly. Then, nag-add ako ng konting red food coloring para magkaroon naman ng color. Mix again to combine everything. It's time to arrange. Layer first the graham crackers. Then, pour the strawberries and cream mixture on top. If dadamihan niyo yung mixture, medyo makapal ang output nito. Then, finish this with another layer of graham crackers. Cover, then put into fridge and freeze overnight.